360 action cameras are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best 360 action camera from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Kodak Orbit 360 Action Camera. 360-degree VR camera with 2 fixed focus lenses housed in a futuristic body. Each curved lens is designed to work in tandem to capture full 360-degree 4K video and easily upload 360-degree video and photos to social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Dual 20MP CMOS sensors, 3 multi-view angles of 360-degree spherical VR mode and 197-degree 4K ultra-wide mode and 235-degree dome mode. Facebook and YouTube 360-degree photos and videos. Number 4. Insta360 Go 2 Action Camera. Tiny and mighty, thumb-sized action camera that weighs just 1 ounce. Uses a powerful 1/2.3-inch image sensor to shoot crisp 1440p video. Rugged and waterproof to 13 feet. Mount anywhere, wearable camera design. Mount Go 2 anywhere with its magnetic in-the-box accessories and shoot hands-free. Flow state stabilization, image stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your video steady no matter where you mount Go 2. Action sport ready. Multi-use charge case, comes with a pocket-sized case that's also a charger, remote control and tripod all in one. Extends battery life up to 150 minutes. In the box, One X Insta360 Go 2, 32GB, One X charge case, One X lens guard, pre-installed, One X magnet pendant, One X pivot stand, One X easy clip and One X Type-C charge cable. Number 3. Insta360 One X2 Action Camera. The pocket camera crew, with just one device, shoot first in every direction with super 5.7K 360 capture and then choose your favorite angle later. Or pick just one lens with steady cam mode for ultra-stable wide-angle footage. Flow state stabilization, better than ever stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your shots steady, no gimbal needed. Invisible selfie stick, shoot with the invisible selfie stick and then watch it disappear in your edit. Capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. IPX8 waterproof, Insta360 One X2 is waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet. Take it out in a rainstorm or surfing without a case. In the box, One X Insta360 One X2, One X charge cable, One X battery, One X protective pouch and One X user guide. Number 2. Insta360 X3 Action Camera. 360 capture and reframing. X3 captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video, so you'll never miss the action. Choose your favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing tools in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Dual 1/2 48MP sensors. X3's new sensors pack in more pixels for greater clarity and detail, even in low light. Captures 72MP photos, 8K time lapses and more. 4K single lens mode, select a lens to shoot wide-angle footage just like a single-lens action cam. Get maximum resolution with 4K 30fps or an extremely wide 170 degrees field of view with 2.7K max view. Your first-person view footage has never looked so good. Flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. Flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. Impossible third-person view. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens with X3 makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. In the box, One X Insta360 X3, One X charge cable, One X protective pouch, One X lens cloth, and One X user guide. Number 1. Insta360 One RS Action Camera. 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta360 One RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization, buttery smooth image stabilization, no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. No editing needed. 48MP photos, 6K widescreen video and active HDR video, thanks to a new sensor. capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos and vibrant HDR action videos. Invisible selfie stick. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. In the box, One X 4K boost lens, One X 360 lens, One X One RS core, One X One RS battery base, One X lens cap for 360 lens and One X One RS mounting bracket. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.